to our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. We are going to highlight an oldie but a goodie. This is the VS Code-testbox extension. And the reason I wanted to put it in is I just remembered how amazing this little feature is, Jump to Spec. It's only one feature of the entire extension, but when you open a ColdBox spec, you can invoke this, or I bind it to a keyboard shortcut, and then type in the text of the spec, and it will take you right there in your file. So no more like Command F around. It's just, it can do fuzzy searching, just like when you're trying to find a method in the file. Much nicer than just find in the file. So that's only one thing. It also has snippets that will help you easily generate, like the describe, the it blocks, given, when, then, any of those. So check that out, VS Code TestBox.
Cool.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Ortus Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Ortus Solutions YouTube channel.